Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marte, I come from Norway and I love makeup. And today I finally got my last Black Friday order from Glam Shop, and it was apparently at my post office the whole time, but something was wrong with the tracking or whatever, so I didn't get it before now, but thank God it's here. So I just had to play with the Smoky palette from Glam Shop immediately because I've been looking forward to using that black shimmer shade forever, and it's so hard to open. I have to use something to open this because I'm not able to by myself. So this is what it looks like on the inside, and this shade was the whole reason that I bought this palette. Also, of course, it's nice to have a black one from Glam Shop because I've basically just been like buying everything from them but I do not have a black from them yet, so it's nice to have that. And also like these neutral shades, it's like fine to have, and all of the shimmers like these are so gorgeous. This one is a little bit boring in my opinion, but it's still like a gorgeous palette if you want like a neutral smoky glam moment on your eyes. As for the packaging, I really like the patterns here. It's like super beautiful. It's like some crescent moons and stuff like that, which I really like. I would have preferred this to be cardboard packaging, but it's fine. And the mirror is like super big, so that's a big plus. But for this video I will be doing some swatches of the palette, and then I will show you this look that I'm wearing right here. So I will start off with the swatches. By the way, I did get some black here, so if you see like a stripe, that's it. I could not get it away. But yeah, let's just go on to the swatches because I'm so excited. So I'm just going to start by swatching these. I'm just going to take 4 and 4. Sorry about my nails. I just ripped the nails off yesterday, so this is what I'm left with. But here you have the first row of shadows. You can see that this one is so beautiful, and I hope that you might be able to see like how gorgeous that is, because it has like sparkles that are a little bit multicolored, I feel like. So in comparison with all the standard green browns, I feel like this one is a little bit different, so I'm excited about that. So here is the first row swatched. Beautiful shadows. Second row we have this gorgeous like rose gold shade. Then we have this one, which is quite boring. I didn't even notice it before now. I mean, if you like something like very neutral, then that's for you. Then we have the gorgeous sparkly one and the black, of course. So here we have those. You cannot even see how stunning that black shimmer is, but I will definitely be able to show you when I do the close-ups. Like, that is the whole reason I bought this palette, is that gorgeous black shimmer. It's so sparkly and multi-dimensional and just amazing. So I'm just going to switch up the lighting so you can actually see it a little bit better. Okay, so here I have my flash pointing on these shadows. Okay, you can really see the sparkles in this black one. Oh, I could seriously be staring at this for days. It's so beautiful. And you can see the mattes in this palette are also just super beautiful and buttery and pigmented. This shade right here is also super beautiful. It's very sparkly, as you can see. I don't think you can like see that in like a regular lighting, but you can definitely see all the shifts and the sparkles when you have like indoor lighting with direct lighting going on it. So I really like that. Like the two more satiny browns, I don't really care for, but that's like my personal opinion. I never use shades like that. All the others though, I feel like I can definitely get some nice use out of, and especially that black shimmer. I could talk about that forever. Like for this whole video I could just chat about how beautiful that shade is. But I'm not going to do that because that would be boring for you guys. But yeah, I hope that you like to see the swatches. I might just end up depotting this just so I can get use out of this one in my custom palettes. But yeah, if you're interested in seeing the look that I'm wearing, right here as you can see I used a black shimmer, so if you want to see how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. So obviously today I'm going to do a very smoky look, so I will be starting out with this black shade, and I'm going to use my new brush E25 by Sigma that I got from Gina. And yeah, I'm just going to place this all over the lid and slightly blend it out to the crease, and then I think I will go in with like these two more transitional shades, and of course this gorgeous black on the lid. As a base today, I am using my NARS base just because I feel like that is a very safe bet when using a new palette or new shadows in general. I will say it's not like pitch black, but it does have a really nice pigmentation, and it's blending quite nicely, so I think that only using this shade I would still have been able to get a nice blend. I'm now taking my E30 brush and I'm going in with this one, and I'll just be packing that like right over here just to blend out this smoky look, tone it down a tiny bit, and I'll of course use that lightest transition too, just to be able to get a really nice blend. I'm just taking a clean blending brush with some of my setting powder. I'm using the Glam Shop matte HD powder, and I'm just using that to make sure I don't like drag the shadows way too far up, as usual. And before I go on with the lightest transition, I will just go ahead and do this same on the other eye. Now I'm just taking this small pencil brush from Morphe. It's the M149. I'm just taking this lightest shade and I'm placing it right here to again overlap the other shade. This is basically my skin tone, just maybe a little bit more peachy. I just feel like the Glam Shop light shades have this like almost blurring effect that makes your look so much more blended, and I just really like how it looks. And this one seems to do the same thing. I'm of course going to go back into the other shades that I used just to make sure that I have the pigmentation that I want, but this far I'm really liking this. And just when I'm doing this, I'm just going to tell you like the fun story from today, this morning, when I went to pick up this package, because I thought this package was lost because I ordered it during Black Friday weekend, and an order that I ordered like 2 days after already arrived the 22nd of December. So I was like, where is this one? Because it's now like at the 18th of January. So a few days ago, like 5 days ago or something, I sent an email to the customer service of Glam Shop, and they answered really quickly, but I didn't see it because it went to my spam folder, of course. But they sent me the tracking number, and apparently when I added that to my app, it showed me that the package has been at my post office since the 24th of December, and it was supposed to be sent back again the 14th of January. So I was like, shit, I literally just put on my shoes and I almost like ran to the store. And luckily it was there, like the package was there obviously, but then I came back and I've been coughing like crazy since that, because it's maybe like minus 15 degrees Celsius outside, so it's super cold. And that is why my voice is like this as well, because I've been a little bit sick lately. But yeah, I was like desperate to get this package because I was like, no, what if they sent it back? Because I really have been looking forward to this, and I'm basically coming to the part that I've been looking the most forward to now, because I'm going to do the black glitter, or it's not a glitter shadow, it's a regular shimmer, but it looks super sparkly. So yeah, that was like the story of how I got this package today. I just wanted to share because I feel like a maniac sometimes with my makeup orders. Super first world problems, right? But I'm probably not the only one of all of us that do this. Like, I get so excited about my makeup orders and then I'm like acting totally irrational. I'm just taking my BH Cosmetics base booster here, and I'm just going to add that all over my lid. And I'm just going to like place it very carefully like here, and then I'm going to use my finger to tap it out because I don't necessarily want a very sharp line for that black sparkly shadow, and I also don't want it to be too thick of a layer because then the shadow will crease and we don't want that either. So now I'm going into this shadow, like, oh, it's so stinking pretty. I don't even like, all of the shimmers are so beautiful, but it's literally like blue and purple and green in it. Oh, I just can't wait to see this on my lid. Yep, this palette was worth getting just for this shade, I swear. That is so stunning. Can you even see how gorgeous that is? I hope you can see a little bit of that color shift, but I will definitely try to catch it in my close-up. But for now, I'm going to just do the same with my other eye. I'll probably finish the rest of my makeup and then I'll be back for the lower lash line. And I'll probably spend some time staring at this. Okay, so I just did the face makeup except from highlighter. And I actually just got a new blush, but it's in Polish. So I used this one from Glam Shop. So it's quite like nude, but I feel like it looks really nice. And then I actually also got a new lipstick from them. It's the first one that I've got from them. And I don't know if you can see the name right here, but I really like the component. It's like sparkly, but still elegant, in my opinion at least. So I really like how it looks, and the lipstick looks nice. So I used it with my Pamela lip liner also from Glam Shop, which I really like, and they fit perfectly together because this one is like a medium to deep nude. As usual, I also used my Kaleidos Charisma Contour palette. It's in the shade Cool and Light, and I'm ready to go in for my lower lash line. And I think I will just go ahead and only use that brown shade, because I really want to use this one for the lower lash line, so I just want to like blend it out with this one. So I'm just going to apply that like all over here and blend it out like a little bit further down. I typically do it underneath this fold right here, just because then I won't have anything transferring, and I just like to have it a little bit smoky and blown out typically. I do feel like the Glam Shop powder that I use for my face, it's making my concealer look a little bit deeper, so if I'm going to use that for my for my under eye, I think I might have to use a lighter concealer, but I'll probably just end up using this powder for the rest of my face because I feel like it leaves like this really nice finish, but I don't really like it for the under eyes. It looks a little bit better on this side, but I don't know. I don't have to use it there if I don't want to, so... So I'm just taking a clean brush, the one I usually use with my setting powder. I just feel like it looks a little bit dirty here. I think I might have like stabbed the brush a little bit too far down, but it's fine. I think I'll just go ahead and apply a little bit of glitter glue, and I'll apply the shade right here for the lower lash line. And I think I'll just use the tiniest bit of this in the inner corner, because you can see it's super shiny, but it's still quite dark in the base. So I'll just use it like exactly in the inner corner, and I'll hope that's nice. If not, I will maybe go in with the highlight or something like that for the inner corner instead. But I will just speed things up, and then I will show you the close-up of this look. So that is the finished look, and personally I love this. I feel so glam. I just had to use a little bit like dramatic lashes, so I used my Viso Free Lashes A12 for this, and I feel like it really looks so beautiful with these shadows. For my waterline, I ended up using my Beauty Bay eyeliner in the shade Just Peachy, which is like a nude peachy shade. I just remembered that I have not used a highlighter. Like, who am I? I'll just apply a little bit of my Kaleidos Makeup Ray Rider highlighter right here, because it's like this beautiful neutrally champagne-y highlight, and it's not like too blinding, but like you can really like spruce it up a little bit if you want to by using some setting spray. But I feel like this look is already so much, so I don't really need a blinding highlight as well. But yeah, this looks really nice. Yes, so I think that I've already mentioned everything that I used for this look. I'll always leave everything down below in my description box, but I think that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, that it was helpful for you. If you were considering to pick this up, I definitely recommend it just for this shade alone. It's so stunning, and also the other shades of course performed really nicely. So I have used all of them except from the satin ones that I'm not interested in, so I will definitely recommend it based on the shadows that I have used this far. If you did like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will be doing a lot more Glam Shop videos, and I do generally a lot of single shadows content and tutorials and that kind of stuff. But thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye!